Have you ever noticed that when you use the Apple Pencil, you cannot swipe up to return to the home screen? So how do you do that? Well, I know it's not the most intuitive thing, but I'm going to show you how I use it. First of all, whenever I use Apple Pencil and I'm using whichever app I want, right? I might be inside of, I don't know, like notes or whatever I'm using. There are always the three dots at the top of the screen. Obviously, I cannot swipe up to return to the home screen. It doesn't work, but what I can do is to tap on the three dots at the top, and I have the ability to change to the split view or slide over view, but I also have the ability to close that window. And when I close the window, it just returns me back to the home screen. So it is the same thing as if I was swiping up with my finger to return. I know it would be simpler, but the Apple Pencil just doesn't work for it. So this is the alternative which I like to use. There is another one which you might be interested in as well, and that one is called Assistive Touch. Pretty much, you open up the settings on your iPad, then you scroll down on the left panel or like the list, tap on Accessibility and click on a touch. At the top of the screen, we have the Assistive Touch, which might appear somewhere around the screen. So basically, you can use this floating button to control some other gestures, and you can tap on it and return back home if you have set it up that way. If not, you can always just customize the controls. I like to, for example, return to just one control for the Assistive Touch and switch it to the home control. Means that I essentially just have a floating home button on the screen of my iPad. So I can always just use it, tap it, and return back to the home screen. So let me know below if you think that these options are a good alternative for the swipe up feature, which should be available there. But yeah, that's going to be about it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of directly to the point tutorials, then subscribe to Foxtecc because we focus on that. And I'm going to see you later on in the next video.